So this is how it looked like, and I look like a little gigolo. Oh my goodness, I wasn't thinking properly. Hi guys, my name is Johnstan and welcome to my channel. And so for today, I'm gonna do something very exciting. I'm gonna do an unboxing for my Taobao delivery. So I have ordered Taobao since forever, and I bought more clothes during this COVID situation because I can't go out for shopping, so I need to spend my money somewhere. And don't worry, this is not sponsored, okay? I don't even have a chance to plug in a shameless code, so don't worry, this is all by my own pocket money. I have two big bags over here. This is number one. Bag number two. I don't really have a very good memory, so I don't really remember what I've really bought, so I'm just gonna open up and I will also surprise myself in the midst. So I'm gonna start with box number one. So this is like really huge. I am not very gentle with opening boxes, so I just open like... Don't mind me. So in just the first bag, I have 8 pieces of, I suppose, clothing, and I'm just gonna open them one by one and let's see what is there really inside. So the first one is a colorful kind of jacket that I can't remember that I really bought. Oh my god, it's so pastel, and it has a... I don't know if you guys can see, but to you guys, right, this is like iridescent kind of thing, but to me it's something black. So this one reacts to colors and then this will become like, you know, iridescent. This is a really cute raincoat that I don't know when I'll wear. Maybe on my pastel appearance on it, maybe I can be like Pennywise, maybe I can be Georgie. Yeah, so I'm gonna change my outfit as it goes. So this is the first outfit I have. Like totally fits my hairstyle, and this is like really cute, but I have no idea when I'll wear something like this. So this is outfit number one. I'll move on to the next shirt. Okay, so this second shirt is it's a purple shirt, and same thing, it has this iridescent thing and it's a unicorn, and I know that this will go very well with my pastel hair, but I can't believe that I have my hair ready before my shirt is ready. And at the back is more pastel unicorn. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Just a little disclaimer, I'm a very cheapo and a broke graduate that is still looking for his job and his will to survive. So I can't really afford like very expensive clothing, and most of my clothing is around $10 to $15, and I'll tell you the price and you get to know how much they cost. I'm gonna wear it. Ta-da! This is my new shirt, and I think the logo at the back is super amazing. Yes, I'm gonna continue moving on to my third piece of clothing. There are 2 pieces inside. So one's a white, I don't know what's this. Since when did I become so fancy? It's actually a white top. And then it's a black sexy mesh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I wanted to do like some sexy concept so you can like see through a little bit, and the things I'll do to sacrifice in this video. Okay, so this is the third piece of clothing. So this is how it looked like, and I look like a little gigolo. Oh my goodness, I wasn't thinking properly. Okay, to not further spoil your eyes, I'm gonna move on to the next set of clothing, which is the white one. So let's go. Ta-da! So this is like, I like details on this whereby there is like, you know, something that can go around. What's this called? Wrist. Yes, around the wrist, and then this is... so messy from all the changing, and this is like really nice, and this is good enough for like a dinner, you know, or for an event that I need to attend. I think this looks like really quaint, and this is really befitting of my hair color as well. So I'm gonna move on to the next piece of clothing. Okay, so this is I don't know, it's a black and white ensemble, so I guess this is like an entire outfit. So this is like me trying to be sporty, you know, with like Adidas looking kind of thing that comes with a nice pants. I like things like that, you know, it's matching, so I don't need to think of what bottoms to wear. So yeah, I'm just gonna change into this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So this is it. And then like I really like details like this because, you know, it makes the clothing look a little less boring. And then yeah, this is very comfortable to like, you know, go out when I teach or just on a casual gathering. So I think this is really fine. And I'll move on to the next piece of clothing. So the next one, oh my god, more iridescent technology. I really love this like iridescent prints recently, and as you can see from my like clothings. Is this iridescent? Yeah, but this one like a greenish tone, but to me, I'm looking at it, it's like grey, but on the screen it's around greenish yellow. Looks quite cool. Oh no, this is a long sleeve. It has more like fire thingy here. So I'm gonna wear this. Let's go. So this is the clothes that I have bought, and then this is the other like detail that I like. This is very cool, and yeah, like this really looks different at different lighting, and this is what I really like something special about my clothing, so it doesn't become very boring. So I'm gonna move on to the next piece of clothing. Ta-da! So this is like a stitch pink color kind of clothes, so I think this will look good on me because I have very like bright color hair, right? Sometimes I like to wear cartoon prints, although they look very kiddish, but then I really like it a lot, so I can't be bothered. This looks like a jersey kind of shirt, and then I'm just gonna wear it. This looks so cute. I feel like I'm on Produce, like some model from some Korean sportswear that has a collaboration with Stitch. So this is like really cute. I love it so much. I'm gonna wear it on another video, I swear. You guys will see it later. Okay, let's move on. Next clothing, and it is a pastel clothing. Okay, more pastel, like raincoat kind of texture. So, oh no, this is like see-through. So I think you need to wear something inside, like a singlet or something. I guess I can just put it on like this because I don't want to be showing my nips. Ta-da! Of course you can wear something like white inside, but if you wear any color, it will just, you know, accentuate whatever color that's inside. And I think this looks really good. I don't even remember like the things I bought, so this is like a very big problem. I'm just gonna continue. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is like a white color piece that says Bio. They can't spell bear properly. You guys are gonna judge me. So please don't judge me. This is like a bear shirt, and it has cute stuff everywhere, although they don't really know how to spell bear, and they say, oh, there is a hello. I really like such cute clothing, and I don't know, I think this is probably the only one at like 28 that can pull this off. I don't think anyone else wears this like me, so I'm just gonna try and wear it. Ta-da! So this is the cute bear shirt that I'm wearing right now, and my hair is in a mess. I can no longer care about it right now. So yeah, this is like really nice and cute. Something that I'll definitely wear from time to time, and this is so comfortable. It says peace. The last piece of shirt from the first parcel, so I'll be opening. I think it's getting kind of long, so I might just do a part 2, I'm not too sure. So the last one is another white piece of shirt, and I don't remember buying this. Oh, so it's like a very school uniform kind of inspired kind of outfit. So I guess I'm missing the times where I was studying, so I decided to get a little school uniform shirt. I'm just kidding, I can't remember why, and then I'm just gonna try and put this on. So I just realized that this is actually a, you know, sailor shirt, and this has a little flap at the back. So this made me look like some really cute school student that I'm super overage for. So in the next part, I'm gonna open the next parcel, and also I'm gonna show you guys what other things that I've bought as ridiculous as this. This is definitely not my fetish, okay, I swear guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this entertained you guys, and also let you guys know what my fashion taste is, and I think I do have taste. And it's not bad, okay? It's visually appealing, I guess. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also do comment down below what the other contents I should do, and also subscribe to me and on that notification bell so that you can know when the next video is gonna upload. So I hope you guys like my fashion. I hope you guys know like what type of clothing that I buy, and this gives you a little insight of what looks good on you maybe, and what looks good on pink hair. So I hope to see you guys in my next episode. Bye!